Street. Did you know this factory produces one car every single minute without ever stopping?
Welcome inside a state-of-the-art car manufacturing factory. Everything begins with raw steel, shaped by powerful machines. These presses shape car parts in seconds.
Robots weld the car body with perfect precision.
Every spark you see means progress. The car body now moves to the next stage. Painting is done by robots for a flawless finish. Each layer is applied with exact control. Temperature and timing are carefully managed. Engines are installed with millimeter accuracy. Suspension and wheels are added automatically. Inside, thousands of components come together. Every electronic system is tested instantly. Precision ensures every part fits perfectly. Advanced scanners check for even the smallest defect. Any issue is fixed before the car moves on. Now the car reaches the final stage. Each car is tested before delivery. Thousands of cars are ready for shipment.
From here, cars are shipped worldwide.
This is how modern factories build the cars we drive every day.